Hope you like dogs.
Yeah.
Good to have a dog. That is a nice chocolate lab. Hi, chocolate lab. You're a good puppy. Okay, we'll do. Never walk on the grass. When at all possible.
Dog.
It's okay, as long as she or he don't bite me.
Oh no.
She seems kind of
lick you to death.
he seems kind of calm.
You just jump up and down.
How are you? I don't think I've been here before.
No. Mike, you should see Mike.
Yeah, Mike unfortunately isn't with us anymore.
Oh, is it? No kidding.
No, he had to take a medical retirement.
Oh wow.
He's my card, by the way.
Oh okay.
I'm the other Mike.
Oh okay, right.
So I understand you need a toilet installed.
Yeah, well I took
This is a very, very tight spot here.
Gosh, yeah, that's why I can't get in it. My back kills me. What it
I hear
is
you.
was I pulled out the old one
Okay.
to put the siding on, and it's just a problem. Here, I got these shoved in there, so there's a little bit of problem here.
Oh, sorry. What's the problem? There's only solutions. What's going on?
It's hard to get. This was never bolted down.
Okay.
The thing, you might have to fix something, and I just put a piece of wood in there, a little block.
So you took the toilet and the flange went with it, kind of?
Yeah, well, it's probably rotted away here. I understand you may be able to fix it or something.
Maybe.
Do something with it.
Let's see.
Yeah,
I just heard what I was
Yeah, Mike took a medical.
Oh, no. Come on, get back. Stay right there. You good girl, all right?
You could probably peen it down a little bit.
I'm sorry?
We could probably peen down the lead a little bit over the flange.
Okay.
Really not terrible. Yeah, I guess we could, let's see, the best place to probably put it is probably like right there. So the center lines up for our bolts. You sure this is going to fit here?
Oh, what? Oh, yeah.
Toilet?
Yeah, it's almost the same one we had before.
Okay.
It goes out a little bit. Oh, hopefully it's the same one we had before.
Did you have a Kohler before?
It was a Kohler.
Yeah. Is that an elongated bowl or a round bowl?
That's the round bowl.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I bought the wrong one.
And is it a corner sink or is it just?
We're gonna put a corner sink up. We're not gonna put a regular sink. Yeah, we had a corner.
And you have a little radiator in there too, huh?
Yeah.
Steam radiator.
Oh, this is tight. Believe me.
Listen, I love challenges. This is awesome.
This is what
you call a grandfathered in bathroom.
Yeah, I think what happened. This was an add-on to the whole house. They put this on.
Probably.
And yeah, we have a little corner sink we're gonna get.
Do you have a new supply line to use, or you want to use that one?
Which one? That one?
The supply line.
I got one downstairs.
You have one new one? Okay.
Or if you got one, you could put one.
Okay,
in.
I have. We can put one. All right, I threw a couple screws, screwing down the flange to the subfloor. That didn't catch anything. Peened down the lead onto the brass floor flange for the water closet. I'm not gonna solder it down. We're good. This lead bend is probably 100 years old, and I don't want to risk any further damage to it. Put my wax rings at the bolt. They are nuts. All right, let's make sure we got no leaks going on anywhere here. Nice and dry. Beautiful.
Yeah, I was surprised that when I opened the other top of the box, everything more or less was installed on the tank.
Yeah.
That's actually one of the reasons I bought it.
It's a real sluggish flush, though. Ain't no adjustment on that. Well, maybe there's too much slack on this chain. Let's see. Alright, a lot less slack on that chain. Let's see. Would you look at that? Mikey Pipes doing plumbing. Not a master plumber for nothing. We are down a plumbing tech, so I am doing the work of 2 people. If you live in the Long Island, New York area, and you're tired of getting bamboozled by your plumber, you know what to do. Pick up the phone and give me a call. 516-348-6300. And yes, I'm talking funny because I went to the dentist this morning. And this whole side of my face is numb. But I still got the job done. And if you're tired of working for a mediocre plumbing company, I'm looking for an excellent person, individual, who's got some residential plumbing service experience. The pay is great. The hours are good. You have a great team. So pick up the phone and call me. I can't do this shit forever. I do need a plumbing tech though. Oh my God, I cracked myself up. Catch you all in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.